Everybody's Mr. Neiweem. Just wanted to touch base. Back at the start of our Teach from Home experiment that we are currently in, I sent an update out to core classes, kind of letting you know where you can pick up computers and how everything was going to work with that. For today, I thought I would send an update out to science students and parents, hopefully touch base with you. This is coming out via email, so please go ahead and reply to the email just to let me know that you got the message, because it's helpful to know that we are passing on the information that's required from school to you, the families. So just a couple of quick updates I wanted to touch on. Google Classroom is going to be where students' assignments are going to be posted. Teachers are recording videos like this that kind of review whatever the objective for the week is, and then there's an assignment that gets put out. There's going to be an assignment that checks the understanding for midway through the week, and then an assignment in a choice board form where every teacher is going to have 4 choices available on how you can show that you're understanding things. Speaking for me from science class, what mine look like, I put everything into what's called a hyperdoc. And so it's colorful, there's directions on it as to what the colors mean. It's kind of like following traffic lights. I'm trying to make it a little easier for you. And so your students are used to this. They've used them in class a ton for my science classes. And then if they want a better schedule for it, in I think the third box, there's actually a link where it says that you can click on that and get a calendar version of the same hyperdoc where it breaks down, okay, on Monday do this, on Tuesday try this, on Wednesday, all the way down to Friday, go ahead and complete your assignment. I actually have on that calendar option where Thursday they could attempt to complete the assignment and then drop in during my drop-in hours from 2:30 to 3:30 if they had any questions and clarify things before they have to submit a final thing on Friday. On that drop-in hours comment, I also have drop-in hours on Tuesdays from 10:30 to 11:30. Those are on Google Hangouts. They're posted on Google Classroom, and they are weekly included in both the calendar hyperdoc and the formal assignment hyperdoc. Ask your students to go ahead and show you that, to share it out with you. Students, please go ahead and share it with your parents. Keep them informed. I think it's very important that everybody's on the same page at this point, trying to have the same information, because that's what's going to have us succeed that much better. And then along the way, if you have any questions, drop in during those drop-in hours or send me an email. It should be popping up right here, my email address, in case you're interested in seeing what it is. And go ahead and reach out to me and let me know what questions you may have. I'm happy to help. I have been reaching out to your students every day via a vlog, because this is what I usually do in class. A lot of days it just is like, hey, how are you? Good to see you. And then we just touch base on things of what questions they may have been common during the week, coming in from students on what's going on. I apologize for that lawnmower outside the window. So then that's what I've got for you really for today. I just kind of want to give you an update. So last week we looked at potential and kinetic energy, and the choice board for that looked a little bit different. If you didn't get to it or it didn't make sense, don't worry about it. Go ahead and move on. For this week, I changed the format, tried to make it more like what we've been using in class. And so it was all about waves. Should be hopefully very understandable for everybody. So if you haven't completed that, please take a chance to try to complete one of the activities on there. And then for next week, it's going to be following the exact same format. I used the same template and put it in there. I welcome your feedback if the template's not making sense. But like I said, for students, this is the same thing we've been using all year, as far as hyperdocs and the coloring on it and all of that. So for next week, it's going to be earthquakes. Week after that, we're looking at volcanoes, and then I don't have my lesson plan book in front of me, so I can't tell you what we're doing a couple of weeks from now, but that's kind of just a little bit of a preview. Students and parents, I have been ending my videos every day. I've been following the example of NBC News' Lester Holt and late night host Seth Meyers, and ending with their 2 catchphrases they've been using here. So please take care of yourself and each other. Stay safe, wash your hands, and from my household to yours, we love you. Please reach out and let me know that you received this, just so we have good communication. Enjoy the weekend. It's supposed to be nice this weekend. And I will talk to you all soon. Thank you.